Jennie-Inspired Glow Up Makeup. Look soft. K-Beauty Glam. Hey bestie! Welcome back to my channel where we glow down to glow up. Today's video is all about recreating this dreamy, soft glam look inspired by Jennie Kim. Yes, the queen herself. It's giving luxury, elegance, and effortless beauty. So get ready for the ultimate soft glam glow up. Let's get into it. Step 1. Skin prep equals mochi skin vibes. You know the rule. Good skin equals good makeup. Start by cleansing your face, then apply a toner, serum, and a hydrating moisturizer. Don't forget sunscreen. Always. We want our skin soft, glowy, and plump like mochi, bestie. Step 2. Base makeup. Less is more. Jennie's skin looks flawless but natural. So instead of heavy foundation, use a skin tint or BB cream, something lightweight. Dab it on with a beauty sponge for that soft, airbrushed finish. If you need extra coverage, just add a little concealer under the eyes and around the nose. Step 3. Brows soft and straight. Take a brow pencil or powder and gently shape your brows into a straight, soft arch. Very natural. Brush through with brow gel to keep them fluffy. Jennie's brows are never too harsh, just cute and neat. Step 4. Eyes. Sweet but sharp. Now for the eyes. Use a peachy or pink tone shadow all over the lid. Then take a light brown shade and blend it softly into the outer corner and lower lash line. Add a little shimmer in the center of your eyelid and inner corners for that subtle sparkle. Instead of bold eyeliner, use a brown pencil to tightline the upper lash line, then flick it out just a tiny bit for that lifted effect. Mascara next, but keep it light. You can even add small outer corner lashes for the puppy eye look. And don't forget Jennie's signature tiny beauty mark under her eye. Use a brown eyeliner or brow pen and gently dot it right below your eye, slightly off-center. It adds such a cute and unique touch. Step 5. Blush. Soft flush moment. Go for a cream blush in baby pink or rose. Dab it on the apples of your cheeks and a bit across your nose. It gives that innocent, sun-kissed blush that Jennie always wears. Step 6. Lips. Glossy and juicy. Start with a soft pink or coral lip tint as a base. Then apply a clear or lightly tinted gloss just in the center of your lips to make them look full and juicy. Lip combo? Chef's kiss. Step 7. Highlight and finish. Time to glow, babe. Use a cream or liquid highlighter on your cheekbones, nose bridge, and brow bone. Then set everything with a dewy setting spray. This locks your look and gives you that lit from within K-pop star glow. And just like that, you went from chill to level chic. You're glowing, you're stunning, you're the moment, bestie. Don't forget, all the makeup products I used or recommend for this look are listed down below in the description box. So check them out if you want to recreate this exact vibe. If you enjoyed this glow up moment, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your besties, and of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a glow up again. Comment below what look I should recreate next. Or if you want a full body glow up video, you know I got you. Stay pretty, stay soft, and stay glowing. I love you lots. See you in the next video. Bye, glow babe.